the big drip for she it fit, rock on the chip quick. Me dog them run off the district, me call the rich.
People, they have vibes to the brand new Teejay song here. Song entitled Drip, produced by Xtal Music and Ramesh Entertainment. After leaving one of the first comment with some fire emojis and the music video and the Teejay official Vivo. Believe me, I listened to the song here over 40 times. Song bad, video clean like whistle, not to mention the female vocalist, she give it an international twist. Mixed with the dancer, the song no normal. Y'all need to go and check it out. A link for the full music video will be in the description. Before we go to the other stories, I want to send a special shout out to 3 of my day one supporters. Victoria Garley, Onika Cross, and Machiavelli the Dan TV. Thank you guys for supporting and please continue to be a part of the family. Blessed love. Other stories making it today. New Jamaican movie set to release. Featured Bawdacat Jahvillani, Paul Campbell, otherwise known as Mad Max, from the Jamaican Shutter, or Soji from Jamaican Mafia. Also Professor Nut and the late LOUIE, just to name a few.
Zombie. We don't talk to the police. Different thing when we come back in a bed.
And video with Teejay cutting birthday cake and impersonating Bounty Killer. All of this is coming up.
We're not going on our side, I'm going to face now.
Hey, turn your camera nicely. How my camera looks so?
See Sunday I come up now.
Nice. Ready?
Up that day, you know. Big chip, the guy in big chip. Alright, we'll take it around.
This year
Boy, I'm mad for him.
This year come on. You're crazy, right?
That's decoration?
Yeah, that's decoration, yes. That can't eat a cake.
Chippy! Killer boss, a choppy.
Hold on there. Now give me a stand there. Hold on now. Keep Mike.
Yeah.
Hey, yo! Yo!
Big trip, oh, a big trip. Big trip, we got it. Big trip, we got it.
Yo!
Oh, no!
Yeah, I keep it up.
Yes, I love this cake.
Hold on, I keep it up.
A cake.
Yeah, I keep that baby. No, son, not that decoration.
Yo, the G's are the first him cut a cake. Me not see nothing wrong with it still. You see me? Because there's a first for everything. And big up to Bounty Killer. A whole heap of young youth. Respect Bounty Killer. Yeah man. But before we move on, happy belated Earth Strong to UPTOP boss. And hope you live to see many more years to forward. You see it, my brother? Mad. Viewers and subscribers, I'm about to show you a short clip of the new Jamaican movie set to release entitled Full of Revenge. Just before we go to that, please remember to subscribe and be a part of JR Voice TV family. It means a lot. Family like you are to find and worth keeping. So please go ahead and subscribe. Please remember also to like and leave a comment. That way YouTube will promote the video to more viewers just like you. And there will be a shout out in my next video for the first 10 person that comment on this video.
Zombie.
We don't talk to the police.
Different thing when we come back in a bed. Que paso, amigo?
Absolutely. Yo, Bobby.
Yeah, man, it's like up on a flex and we get set up. You know, so me
I've got eyes on you. A dirty friend, you hear that? You know my type of work.
You're
boy.
I'm gonna do something for you.
Can't have me.
Where's that boy?
That nobody has ever done before.
This film was brought to you from the director of Small World. There will be links in the description for other clips of the movie. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. I'm out.